What does meth addiction look like? Meth is an incredibly powerful illicit stimulant made with a toxic brew of chemicals and solvents. Before I take a deep dive into this subject, I want to say a few words about stigma. We're obviously opposed to addiction stigma here at The Edge. Number one, it's wrong to judge anyone's appearance even if they're dealing with addiction. And number two, stigma makes our job a lot harder. When someone feels ashamed and judged, they're defensive. And it's a major barrier to overcome even for someone who genuinely wants to get treated for addiction. So the rest of this video is going to talk about what meth addiction looks like. And one of the chief signs of meth addiction is how it physically changes people. And I'm not saying this to be unkind, rather I'm informing you about what to look for if you're wondering about a loved one or even yourself. Meth in the face. Meth is an appetite suppressant, and after a long or prolonged period of time without eating, the body's metabolism will consume both facial fat and muscle tissue. The combination of this, as well as a neglect of personal care, is why meth tends to age people's appearance as well. There's another sign of meth addiction: meth sores. Many people with active meth addiction often have distinct skin injuries on their face and their bodies. Meth can cause a sensation called formication, which feels like bugs are crawling on or in your skin. Skin picking causes these injuries, which also gets worse due to a neglect of personal care. Meth and teeth. Meth is extremely damaging to the teeth for a variety of reasons. Meth causes dry mouth, meaning teeth are more easily damaged by acids and other substances. Meth also shrinks the blood vessels in our gums, rapidly increasing tooth decay. Meth in the brain. Meth can create intense mood swings, intense paranoia and delusions, aggressive behavior, and even breaks with reality. For a person who may be dealing with a mental disorder, meth can make it much, much worse. Finally, there's the set of behaviors called tweaking. During a meth binge, a person may not sleep for days. And by itself, lack of sleep can both cause damage to the brain and make a person act strangely. Rapid eye movement, body shaking, and repetitive behaviors like dismantling things like engines and bicycles are common. If you or a loved one are dealing with any of these, now's the time to get help. Meth abuse and addiction is treatable. And here's something else. The damage meth causes to a person's body and appearance can be reversed. I've seen it happen. Reach out to the Edge Treatment Center today at 844-590-0413 and we'll help you kick meth out of your life. Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe.